Okay, guys, I'm going to go over this week's Tech Tuesday with how to pull a badge from our digital badge file onto your Google site and then creating a page for it to go on. Some of this stuff is going to be a review. So if you were in class, you probably don't need to do this, but if you miss class, it would be a good thing to review. Okay, so you're going to start on your Blackboard page for this one. Excuse me, I'm just going to pick first period. Go to your Tech Tuesday tab. And then towards the bottom, you're going to see this folder called Digital Badges. Go ahead and click on that. Now you can use this anytime we give you a badge. This is where we'll put the badge for you to grab to put on your website. So pick whatever badge you are. I was an Explorer, so I'm going to click on Explorer. Now this is going to be a little different for me than it is for you because I own the file. But up here, if you see right up here, there's a plus sign. On your computer, it should have the drive triangle with a plus sign. So if you go ahead and click on that, it will automatically go right to your Google Drive. Okay? So that's all we're going to do in Blackboard right now. So you can go ahead and close out of that. Now, if you go over to your Drive, you want to open up your Google site, the one that we've been working on. Don't make a new site. So here's mine. This is my Miss Frederick's page. Now you're going to see I have a couple of tech badge pages because I taught this 4 times today. So I'll make another one for you. What you're going to do, here's our main site. You're going to go over to pages. Remember how we add a new page by clicking the plus button. And then name your page, Tech Badges. I'm just going to call it Tech B. All right? And then hit done. So that gives us a clean new page. Wait for it to load. Make sure you're on that page. It should automatically take you there. Then go over to insert. You want to go ahead and pick whatever layout you want. I'm going to pick this one because I'm going to have lots of badges. So we have all these boxes. Pick whatever box you want and click the plus sign. Now, you can go ahead and click From Drive. Because remember, we put that file for that badge in your Drive. And you're going to go ahead and click that. That will take you to your Drive over here. Now, your badge should appear during your, in your file section down at the bottom. Mine are going to be in a folder because I already put them in. And then I'm going to pick Explorer because that's me. And I'm going to put it right there on the page. Then you can click out of that window. Now, if you come over here, you'll notice your badge doesn't look all that great. You can do a couple of things. You can either click on it and then drag the box over, but still, it's going to cut things off. So the easiest way to fix that is to click on your badge. And now look up here. You have these buttons. Go to this one. It's called Uncrop, but it's the 4 corners. Click on that, and it will size your badge for you. And we'll do it to any size. Then you can drag and drop and put your badge wherever you want. All right, be sure to watch the video and then ask me questions if you didn't catch everything.